Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an affiliate link in Whop. To get started, open Whop and make sure you're on the home page. This is your main dashboard area, and it's where you can access the different tools and sections needed to manage your account. If you're already signed in, you should be able to move directly into the next part without any extra setup. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Affiliates. This section is where Whop organizes affiliate-related features, including partnership options, referral activity, and the tools connected to affiliate links. If you don't immediately see everything on the screen, take a moment to scan the side menu carefully so you select the correct section. After the affiliates page opens, go to the top right area of the screen and click Apply to be a partner. This option begins the process of joining the partner or affiliate program. Depending on your account status, this may be required before you can create and use an affiliate link. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait for the next screen to appear before continuing. From there, you'll be taken to the partner page. On this page, click Join Waitlist. This step signals that you want access to the partnership program. In some cases, Whop may roll out partner access in stages, so joining the waitlist is part of getting approved to move forward. Next, enter the requested information and follow the on-screen process until your link is created. The exact fields you see may vary, but the goal here is simply to complete the application or setup details that Whop asks for. As you go through the form, read each prompt carefully and make sure the information is accurate before moving on. This helps avoid delays and makes the process smoother. After submitting your details, continue following the instructions shown on your screen. Once approved or once setup is complete, Whop will guide you to the point where your affiliate link becomes available. At that stage, you can copy the link and use it wherever you plan to share it, such as in content, messages, or promotional materials, according to the platform's guidelines. That's all it takes to begin the process of creating an affiliate link in Whop. Just start on the homepage, go to Affiliates, apply to be a partner, join the waitlist, and complete the required setup until your link is ready.